Hey guys, today I am showing you Octave client. Wait, I will be disabling my bloop. Yep. So, just go to this website, OctaveClient.weebly.com, and you come to this. Well, first of all, download. And here are the features. So I'll be showing you how to, yes I know, spell it wrong, how to install it. It has 54 hacks. So download 1.8, download. Octave client, download. Of course, there's already an Octave client in here, but I'll just delete it. When you open it, you have this. Just take this map folder and put it into here. And when you have that, you can just start your Minecraft. If it allows me to log in properly. Yep. And just search. If you don't already have a new one, just create a new one. I'll call it tutorial. Then search for Octave client. Then enable Jvm-Arguments. Go to this. Go to the very end of this. Space dot minus, so stripe, noverify. Save tutorial. Otherwise it won't launch. I'm still having this error and I don't know why. Yep, I know. Pretty nice. Just still a bit glitchy a bit. So multiplayer. QCraft. So for the best settings I prefer, well, usually using liquid bounce. So go to combat. On Hypixel, I mean QCraft, I always have these settings. Change it to switch. Go to the multi-delay. And no, I meant not switch but multi. So to edit it, just go with your shift plus tab, just this. So I'll just do like bam, Kiwara, and yeah. Reach. Yep, it crashed, didn't it? Yep. Still a bit buggy. So that's why I always use the tab UI. So already 5 minutes. Oh, and you could put it in the percent app data percent dot Minecraft. It will make his own one versions. Bam, Octave in here. Hey. So with the little arrow keys you can use all these. So arrow key to the right is open the menu, left is close it, and up and down is this. So to enable it, just press this key, the right arrow key. And to edit things with a stripe on the right, just click enter. Some things without a stripe will just enable when you use the enter. So change this to 6. These are the best settings for that. So yeah, go on until it's 100. Did you hear that? I don't know what it was. It was like a bird. It made that sound. So you can actually bind things. So Octave help commands, bam, Octave bind. So bind kill aura R. It also allows Octave bind, I thought. Octave bind kill aura R. Oh no, it doesn't. So yeah, change this to 100. Just go to your chest dealer, change it to 1. That's the perfect one. So these are all the things I enable. So I always do prefix, comma, I'll do chest stealer. Yeah, I don't really know any of the commands. I've made this like an age ago. Bam. So on the Michelangelo's, just do projectiles and bind scaffold to Z. Chest stealer. Okay. No fall. Change the movement. I always use it on 2.2. Oh, and enable damage and tide for the Cooper fight. So bind fly, bind fly, F, bind glide H, bind Jesus G, J, bind long hop, here, bind no velocity Y, bind speed M, speed. Yeah, and those are all the settings. So in the lobby you can't really fly except for the long hop. It's like a long jump. And I have just no, I don't. So yeah, that was all of this in this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Damn recording. Come on.